I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting the process now. First, unlock the device and remember Talkback changes touch behavior. Single finger double tap selects, two finger scrolls move lists. Locate settings on your home screen or app drawer. Once found, select it with a single finger double tap. Make sure to use two fingers to scroll through long lists because one finger gestures won't move the page. This avoids accidental taps. Once in settings, navigate toward accessibility. That's where Talkback lives, so keep moving with the two-finger scroll and select when you reach it. Now you're inside accessibility. Scroll with two fingers until you hear Talkback or Voice Assistant announced, then highlight it and activate with a single finger double tap. Once in Talkback settings, navigate its options carefully. Talkback changes confirmations to require double tap. Look for the toggle or switch labeled Talkback and select it. To change the switch, double tap the toggle. The system will often prompt you to confirm. Listen for the confirmation message. It tells you that Talkback will stop and how gestures will revert to normal. Finish by double tapping the Talkback toggle and then confirming the action when prompted. You may need to double tap a confirmation button. After it's off, test the screen with single finger taps and a normal one-finger scroll to make sure behavior returned to standard. If Talkback persists or gestures remain difficult, restart the phone to clear temporary settings. If that fails, use alternate input. Connect a USB or Bluetooth mouse. Press both volume buttons, some devices disable accessibility, or use a computer with ADB to change the setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.